Hi guys, once again the kind staff has allowed us access to this 90-year-old bus which started off life as a double-decker and it was converted into a bank bus. And it was a single cab, which was then extended out. That's a Gardner 5-cylinder engine. Look at that for an engineering masterpiece from yesteryear. And as I'm reliably informed, he collected all the change from the bus conductors, took it to the bank. It was a double-decker, the top deck was cut off, and the rear platform was removed. Over here the bus was shortened, and this is how it turned out. 90 years old, an engineering masterpiece, currently undergoing restoration at the Aldridge Transport Museum, but they've kindly allowed us to have a peek. Very nice of them. I do love that engine. Show you around the front. So as we've been told, the cab's been extended out. See if I can get you a peek around the driver's side. There you go, there's the driver's cabin. Driver's seats. Oh, the door is open. Sorry, there is no driver's seat. It looked like it from where I was standing. There's your handbrake. Your dials. Now we really have gone back in time. The pedals. Look at that. Currently under restoration. We will pay another visit to see how far they've got on a future date. And there you go. That vehicle is, I've just got the details over here. It was a Daimler COG5 converted into a bank bus. The registration was AOG679. And if you need to read the story behind it, just pause the screen. That will give you all the information. Hope we found that useful. Thank you very much for watching.